Hi everyone, it's Heidi. Sorry about that last video. Actually now I think the sound will work. I just wanted to share a little tip for you in case you're going out this weekend and you're going to be outside and you don't want to be bugged by little critters and things. And this would be a great alternative to like the whole sprays with DEET and all that kind of garbage in them that we don't want to be spraying on our children or on us. And so this is a recipe for an alternative. So I've used this for years. It works really well. It actually works way better than the commercial stuff that you buy. So what I do is I take a bottle, doesn't have to be glass, it could just be a spray bottle because you're not ingesting it. And I put 10 drops of peppermint and 10 drops of purification in here. And this is, then I've just filled the rest with water, and then you can just spray it on anyone, spray it on anything. I usually will put it around my ankles a lot because that's where they tend to like to bother me. And so that's just a really good thing to do. Young Living has a insect repellent that you can purchase, but of course if you're going out this weekend and you don't have it with you or haven't ordered it, then this is a great DIY tip. This course is a lot cheaper, but also you can, if you don't like doing recipes and mixing up your own concoctions, you can also get it from Young Living. And so I hope this will help you. It's just good to be out and about and not be bothered and bitten and all that kind of thing. And it's good to be chemical free and not have all that stuff going in your lungs and on your children. And you know, if your kids spray this on themselves accidentally, or it goes and somebody breathes it in or whatever, it's not going to hurt you. Probably will even make you feel a little bit better. So I hope this has been helpful for you, and I hope you guys have a great day and a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.